Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you essay on topic the challenges and advantages of conducting exams during the COVID-19 crisis. So before we begin with the video, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin. During the early stages of the pandemic, when the nature of the coronavirus was still unknown, most universities made the decision to temporarily avoid all in person contact and close their campuses completely. For many education institutions, this resulted in the cancellation of upcoming examination. Without a clear understanding of how this coronavirus operated and the most effective measures to prevent its spread, collecting students into one room for a prolonged period was no longer considered safe. However, examinations are a critical part of the higher education process and a necessary step in promoting students with accurate grades. According to the University Grant Commission UGC of India, cancelling crucial higher education examination altogether was simply not an option. So, first, online examination as a challenge. To avoid in person contact altogether, some universities have opted to conduct the majority of their exams online. In March, Imperial College London successfully assessed their 280 six-year medicine undergraduates via two online exams. Since then, universities across the world have followed suit. However, they have faced several challenges along the way. One of the most challenging aspects of conducting remote exams is ensuring students aren't using the internet or other resources to assist them. When students take examination without an invigilator present, they may find it easier to search for answers elsewhere or to discuss the process with others. Each exam, despite having a different set of rules, but when conducted remotely, cannot assure whether or not students would abide by the rules that are set. Companies such as ProctorU are being used by the universities to heighten their exam security by providing the technology needed to detect fraudulent activity during exams. Other issues regarding online exams include ensuring students have a strong enough internet connection to take part in the exam and that the time zone of each student needs to be taken into account during the planning process for international students. Second, the online exams, the advantages. Online exams are still a new phenomena at higher education institutions, so there is a lot to learn regarding the widespread implementation of these new exam processes. However, during a period where in person contacts come with many risks, online exams are a great way of maintaining momentum in higher education and to ensure the learning process doesn't ground to a halt. Other benefits include a significant reduction in the paper used and time required to conduct and mark the exams. There are also several arguments that suggest that online exams will remain a key feature of the higher education experience even after the worst of the coronavirus crisis has subsided. So guys, that is it for today. Do like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching my video and please do subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.